Well, Isita, since you know that nowadays the inflation has increased too much, so what do you think? What is the reason behind this?
Due to coronavirus.
So you think that coronavirus is the root cause for this inflation? That's what you are thinking.
Yes.
So Tanushree, I want to know what is your opinion regarding this? Why the inflation is hiking, or inflation is in a hike, or increasing? As Isita said that coronavirus is the reason, root cause of the inflation. So what do you think? You agree with her, or you have some different reason? You have any idea? You have any idea what I'm asking to you? I'm asking why the inflation has increased due to corona. As Isita said that due to corona the inflation has increased. So what's your opinion?
Yes, I agree with that.
Okay, now I have heard that many people from cities, as actually I have heard that many people from cities, they have shifted back to their village due to corona. So people also believe that due to that the development of the countries, or the sorry, development of the cities will be blocked. So what do you think about this? Happy.
Sir, most of the workers that
Those who are,
those who are working in the city, they
I guess not war, R is not the perfect word. Were those who were working in the
those who are working in the cities, they
shifted back to their.
back to their place, and the city and the cities work has stopped.
Okay, that means now the cities are without laborers. So Snehashish, what is your point? What do you think? Since now actually from okay, many people believe that for a development of a city there is a need of what I say labor, means laborers are the pillars of development of cities. So now the laborers, all the labor or most of the laborers, they switch back to their village. So now their development will slow down. So what do you think? I mean, what will be the result? What will happen to the cities?
I have no idea about this.
Okay, now so such a straightforward answer. Akash, will you like to add something in this regard?
I have also no idea.
Okay, now my point is that since okay, how much laborers are responsible for development of a city? Okay, now anybody wants to add in this regard? Maybe Akash.
Yes, sir. Because the city development will stop because of the laborers are in village. But how they will live at cities? Because of corona, they cannot live. So they have left cities.
Okay, but then again there is a fact that cities development means infrastructure and labors. Labors are the base of cities. I mean, they helps in the development. Actually, how we can differentiate the village and the cities? Okay, by their infrastructure. Yes or no? So labors plays important role for the creation of the cities. So now if the laborers have switched back to their village, so that means their development has been blocked. What do you say about this, Anamika? What is your opinion?
So I have no idea.
So don't tell me that you have no idea. Now the laborers who has come from cities, the laborers who used to create the buildings in cities, since they have come to village, now you have no idea that what will happen to the cities. That's what you are saying. Really? It's a very silly question. Now please, anybody else?
So the blocks of buildings,
Happy, please loudly. What is your point?
the works of buildings has stopped.
Will stop. Means the works of the buildings will stop. Okay. Now Ankita, would you like to add something in this regard? Since the laborers have come back to the, come back from the cities. So do you think that the development of cities will block?
Yes.
Anything else you want to add? Actually, as I know, what do you think? What is the main role of laborers in cities? Isita, what do you think? What is the main role of the laborers in cities?
labor were the main.
Labor are the main. You wanna say pillar?
Main pillars.
Okay, what role they do over there? What role? What are the things the labor used to do in city? They help in building in the construction of buildings. Okay, and actually I know all the hawkers. They are hawkers are also considered as a laborers. Okay, and most of the people who are doing small business, who are running small business, means hawkers like fruit vendors. Most of the hawkers vendors, they all comes in labor category. So if they all return back to the village, then what will happen to the cities?
It will be a lack of eatables because there will be no vegetables and no sellers. If there are no sellers, so how the city people will get vegetables? Like this, there are many problems that city people have to face without laborers.
So what you think, Sneha, is regarding this?
Sir, I think that the
The vendors, laborers,
the vendor labors are
the food supplier. You know, Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar. So Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the producer. So in that manner, I must say that labor. Some people consider the laborers as Vishnu because Vishnu provides us food. In that manner, labor provides us food. So actually, the farmers. What are farmers? Farmers labor in the field. Then we used to get. Then we get food. So by their labor we get food. So actually, there are two types of job: manual work and smart work. So manual work is too important for the smart work. Understood? So now, okay, anything you want to add this regard?
no sir.
Okay, now it was a very wonderful conversation. नेहा नेहा पर जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है कि कोई भी लेबर शहर से गांव आना नहीं चाहता था, पर कोरोना के चलते वो मजबूर हो गए। पर जहाँ तक मुझे लगता है हाँ कि ज़्यादातर लेबर नहीं, कोई भी लेबर आना नहीं चाहता था, या फिर ज़्यादातर लेबर बोलो, मोस्ट ऑफ द लेबर्स हाँ नहीं आना चाहते थे, आर नॉट विलिंग टू वापस आना, वापस स्टार्ट हाँ रिटर्न आर से स्टार्ट एन से खत्म, विलिंग टू रिटर्न वापस, बी से स्टार्ट के से खत्म, बोलो हाँ कहाँ, सिटी से गांव, फ्रॉम सिटी टू विलेज, सिटी टू विलेज। ठीक है, आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा। एक्चुअली क्योंकि एक्चुअली मुझे लगता है कि वहाँ सिटी लाइफ काफ़ी ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो गया कोरोना के चलते, लोगों के पास खाने का साधन नहीं बचा, इसीलिए ज़्यादातर लोग सिटी से वापस लौट आए।
सिटी लाइफ
बिकम वेरी मुश्किल, ट्रबलसम और टफ, क्योंकि वहाँ ज़्यादातर सिटी के लोगों को खाने के लिए नहीं मिला, एज मोस्ट ऑफ द सिटी पीपल लॉस्ट सिटी पीपल देयर फूड। ठीक है, ओके, एनीवे इट्स अ गुड कन्वर्सेशन। ओके, रिगार्डिंग दिस फाइनली आई वांट टू आस्क एवरीवन, would you like to add anything in this regard from your point, from your side? Happy? Akash?
Because of
I want you should end this topic.
I want to end this topic with an last statement about the influence that is reaching height.
Inflation is reaching high.
The inflation is reaching height because of the black marketing of India also. Because there are so many black marketers who used to sell things in black. So I want to say to the government to arrest such black marketers. Thank you.
Okay, it was a nice statement by Akash. Thank you.